Welcome back to the daily setup from Mockapital. One chart, one key setup every day. Hello everyone, I'm Matt. Let's dive into today's setup. All right, today we're breaking down BTCUSD.P on the 4-hour time frame for March 3rd, 2026. And this is a big one. Bitcoin is finally pushing through that major descending trend line, the one that's been acting as a ceiling throughout this entire corrective phase. That diagonal resistance has capped price multiple times, and now we're seeing a decisive breakout above it. Price is also driving aggressively through the $69,200 level, which is important because it signals a real structural shift. This isn't just a bounce. This looks like the market transitioning out of a deep accumulation phase. And here's what makes this even more interesting: sentiment. Earlier this week, market sentiment hit extreme fear with a score of 10. Historically, that's where smart money starts positioning. Now we're seeing sentiment rebound, and price is following through. So here's the roadmap. First, I'm watching for continuation towards $74,000. There's liquidity sitting up there, and that's the natural magnet after a breakout like this. After that initial impulse, the ideal scenario is a classic break and retest. I'd want to see price come back down and hold that newly flipped diagonal support, right around $71,500. If that level holds as support, that's your confirmation the trend has truly shifted. From there, the path opens toward the primary supply zone between $79,000 and $80,000. That's the next major objective on the chart. And zooming out, as long as the higher time frame demand floor between $62,000 and $63,000 remains protected, the broader technical bias stays bullish. If momentum builds the way it's starting to, the next major macro target sits up near $85,000. So right now, this is all about structure: breakout, expansion, retest, continuation. This setup can be your step towards a funded account with Mockapital. Start your journey today at Mockapital.com.